Good afternoon and welcome to MarineMax Westbrook. My name is Fred Aberly and today I'm going to show you a 2017 Boston Whaler 280 Outrage. This boat comes fully equipped, beginning with the bow, having an electric windlass, a full seating area with cushions, also a wonderful lounge relaxing area on top of the coffin box, which can be used to store all your fishing rods, scuba gear, snorkeling, fenders, lines, everything you can imagine. It's a great concept, great storage. As we move back through the vessel, I want you to note how high the gunnels are on this boat. If you're fishing, you're not going to fall out of this boat in any kind of weather. As you move back through the boat, notice ergonomically my hands, they just grab onto rails as if it was just a motionless experience. Midships with this boat is on your port side, your gas fuel fill. The boat carries 186 gallons of fuel. She's powered by twin 300 Mercury horsepower motors, giving you a range of 138 miles at wide open throttle, traveling at 52 miles an hour. At cruise, that range increases to 246 miles an hour at 25 knots. So now I'm going to take the camera and I'm going to bring you aboard the vessel, and I'm going to show you a few things. First, we look at what's happening with the instruments. You have a 12-inch display screen with GPS. There's plenty of room for a secondary screen. You might want to add radar to the boat. Up above, more instrumentation area. On top of the hard top is a set of rocket launchers. And down below here aft, you've got a live bait well, which is about a 40-gallon live bait well, sink, rod holder, cup holders, more storage for the rods, stereo, a second live well. Down in her decks, she has twin bait boxes, each of which are 54-gallon. So you can really catch the big fish. Moving forward, the helm seating is deluxe, the way it's set up. Bolsters, side-by-side bucket seats. And then down below, you have a full head. And this is where the on-off switches are to start the boat. I hope you enjoyed our tour. Again, my name is Fred Aberly. MarineMax Westbrook. We're located at 627 Boston Post Road, 860-399-5581. Thanks for watching.